Guys, welcome back to my channel. I have not filmed or uploaded to YouTube in 2 months, and that was not the plan. I thought I was gonna keep filming, and I know I always say I'm gonna be uploading videos, but I don't know, you can tell I'm ginger now. I kind of do want to go a little bit darker. But anyways, as you guys can tell, I am filming video, and this one because I'm really excited about it, and I'm actually interested. And I told myself, let me just get this so I can do a video with it, and maybe it's gonna get me to do a video. Life has been crazy, but I am excited to do this video for you guys. I did get the R.E.M Beauty line, not the line, products, not the line, the products. I ended up buying 3 for myself because obviously I didn't get it in PR, but I really wanted to try it out. First, let me tell you, when I saw I'm like itchy everywhere. Oh my god, why am I itchy? When I saw the picture on Trend Moods page, I was a little bit like, am I gonna like this? I don't know, because the packaging looked very bland to me. And like even like the vibrancy of the eyeshadows, which I was like, maybe it's the lighting, you know, it has to be the lighting, because I feel like lighting does a huge difference when it comes to palettes and the way everything looks. So I told myself, let me just get some of the products, and I heard that it was kind of affordable, and actually it kind of was for what it is, you know. So I was like, you know what, let me get some of the products. Let me just get like the main stuff that I feel like I would use more often if I do like the products. So I ended up going in with the liquid eyeliner, one of the eyeshadow palettes. This one's called Baby Doll, I think, or Midnight Shadows palette. I don't know, I'm confusion. There's like all these names here, right? And then I also got one of the lipsticks, the bullet lipsticks. So I'm gonna be trying this out. I obviously did my face off camera because you guys don't need to see this, and I feel like I haven't really been taking care of my face that much like I used to. So you know, embarrassing. Anyways, so I'm really excited. So let's go ahead and try the palette first. I will be putting the swatches for you guys right here on the side like I used to always do that, and I will be putting the price point as well here. I will obviously leave the link down below if you guys want to purchase the products. I'll leave the links for each product down below if you guys are interested. This is the box, you know, and it has like the little colors right here on the side, and this is the palette. This is how it looks. I don't know what was their inspiration. Obviously very futuristic, I'm assuming, and it looks really nice like this. And this is the inside. That is scary. Okay, so I'm assuming this palette, it is called Baby Doll, and this is the inside. I got this specific eyeshadow palette because I like the brown tones on it. I feel like it's perfect for fall, and it's like perfect for everyday kind of look, and that's why I picked this one. I could have gone the other ones, but I really was more intrigued on this one. I like the color story more for this one. I know I'm always into like bright colors and everything, but today I was like, no, I'm not gonna do that. I know I have not been here in so long, and I'm so sorry, and maybe you guys don't even care, but I got a job, and it is a night job, and I work at a bar, so it's like a little bit harder now because I get tired, so I have to make sure I get some sleep. And then I also take care of a 2-year-old girl, so that's from like 8 in the morning to like 3 of the afternoon. So I'm saying, like, it gets a little bit hard for me to film like I used to, but I will for sure keep trying to film. Most likely gonna try to film like stuff that I'm really intrigued with. So you know, just wanted to throw that out there. So I'm getting this palette, and I'm gonna go in with this shade right here. And these shades don't have names, so if you guys were interested, no names on these, so you know, just in case you guys were wondering. And I'm gonna go in and just kind of like start blending that in into the crease. And actually, you know me, I don't know what I'm doing. Like, I just kind of go with the flow. And I haven't done my makeup in so long, so let's see how this goes. Well, actually, I do my makeup. I just don't do it as much as I used to, you know? As always, I like to get that inner corner and just buff it out here. So far, that is blending out very nicely. The color is really nice, actually. I do want to say what I do like about this palette. It is how easy it is to kind of like grab the shade that you want and look at yourself, and like it gives you like the perfect view for your eyes. So I like the fact that it does come with the mirror, and it's just like a really perfect mirror. So I really like the way it's like lightweight, it's easy to use. I know a lot of people are like, not it, like this is not my kind of like collection, or they just don't like the way it looks. I understand that, but what matters is the product and how it works. And so far it is kind of blending up very nicely, easy to use, not much pigment where you can kind of go back in and like, you know, work with it. So that's really nice, especially if you haven't done makeup in so long. I actually like the way this is feeling. Really do. So far this is how it's looking. I'm gonna go in with more of a pencil brush kind of brush because I want to add a little bit more dimension to the inner corners. So I'm gonna go in with this brush right here, and I'm gonna go in with a darker shade, this brown one. It's like a cool tone brown. It's not that much of a warm tone. So I wanna, you know, as always, I like to kind of go in here and add a little bit of depth and make it look really cool. And just kind of, you know, make it look futuristic somehow. Now what I'm going to do is grab the same thing and kind of do that on the outer corner. And then buff it out in. Well, that's done. I'm going to go in with the same dark shade. And I kind of want to add it to the outer corner right here. And just buff it out. Kind of connect it to the outer corner on the top part of my eye. So far it's looking like this. I really like the way this palette is working out for me. I really do. It's such a beautiful palette. So simple, but it's so pretty. And I really like that. It's just perfect on the eyes, especially the brown tones. It just works really nicely. The formula's actually really good. There's nothing wrong with this formula so far. I just do like it a lot. So I'm gonna go in with this shimmery one right here, and I'm gonna go in with my finger and just kind of like tap it on the eye. Now the shimmer is not as crazy. Maybe I'm gonna try with the brush and try to wet it like I used to do that before. So I'm gonna go in with a flat brush. I'm gonna grab a little bit of that and I'm going to wet it. I haven't done this in so long. Oh my god. Let's go ahead and add it onto the lid. Okay, it kind of does a little bit. Not gonna lie, it does do something. That looks really nice. You want to use this light white. Is it like a white? I don't know what a color it is. It's like a pale color, this one right here. I want to add that to my inner corner. I want to see if it makes my eyes kind of like stand out a little bit more. So we're gonna get a brush here, and I'm gonna just kind of pack it in and see if it kind of like makes my eyes look a little bit more brighter on the inner corner. You know what, let me add it on my brow bone and see if it makes it a little bit more brighter. This actually, I really like this palette. This palette is really nice. I obviously haven't gone in with eyeshadow on my eyes as much as I used to. So it's really nice to kind of like get a palette, and that makes me feel comfortable to play with some warm tones. I normally don't play with warm tones because I'm so used to color. But lately, since I haven't really been doing my makeup as much, this is nice. Okay, now that the eyeshadow is done, I'm going to go in with this liquid eyeliner. I don't know if it's considered like a felt tip. I haven't looked at any reviews at all because I really wanted to try it out myself. So I got the liquid eyeliner. This one's called Midnight Black, and it looks like this. The packaging is white, and we're going to see. And it has like the R.E.M Beauty right over here in silver. You guys maybe could see that, maybe cannot. I don't know. So I'm going to go in with this. Let me see it on my finger. Okay, it's felt tip. Not felt tip. I don't know if it's felt tip. I think it is felt tip. Not a brush tip. But it looks really nice. It kind of reminds me of the House Lavatories one. I'm going to show you guys. I have one right here. The House Lavatories. This one is a tad bit smaller and a little bit chunky. And then the House Labs, it is a little bit more thinner. And House Labs one is like my favorite. I really love that eyeliner. So I'm going to see how I like this and see how that goes. So I'm going to go in and add it right here on the outer corner. I was not breathing there. And that was really, really nice. I am a little scared because I'm so used to having like a bigger brush like the House Labs. But this does justice, especially for people that don't really do eyeliner. This actually looks very, very nice on the waterline or tight line, tight something. I don't know. But you know what I mean? The little top part of your lash line. Oh, I think it's called the lash line. Oh my god. Okay, so now let's go ahead and do the other side. Whew, let's take a deep breath. Oh my god. So, let me tell you guys something. I like this. I wish it was a little bit longer, like the House Labs one, because when you're kind of doing this, I'm scared of it going a little bit too thick for my taste, but I like how tiny the tip is. It's so tiny, so I'm going to try and see if I can get it on the inner corner here. Okay, so far, that's actually nice. I like it. And I'm happy I got this eyeliner because I will be using it more often. It's such an easy liquid eyeliner to use, as in, like, if you're trying to get something small, like, you're gonna get it. You're gonna get something small. And I really, really like the way it's looking. So I'm gonna go ahead and go off camera and put some lashes on, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I am back. So now I'm gonna go in with the lipstick. I got the shade Tiramisu. I don't know, it's like this color right here. It's more of a very fall vibes kind of color, and I really, really like the packaging. When I saw this one online, I was like, oh my god, how cute is that? And she promoted that shit really good. So it's like this, obviously it's like a little astronaut kind of moment, and I got this color. Look how pretty this color. The feeling of it is very velvety. Like, I don't even know how to explain it, but it is so pretty. So I'm really excited to try it out. Like, I don't even know what to do with myself right now because I don't want to ruin it. So the packaging is obviously very, like, thick. Like, it's pretty thick compared to, like, the lipstick. And it's, like, when you put it in, it's, like, magnet. So that's what you're getting. I really, really like the packaging. I actually love this lipstick so much. So let's go ahead and try this out. First of all, let me tell you, it went on my lips very, very nicely. So creamy. I don't know if it's going to dry down like to matte, but I really like it. It feels really lightweight. It feels really nice. I actually like the way it makes my lips are so dry, and I feel like it's making them feel like a little bit hydrated, which I love. This is really, really nice. So I like that. You guys, let me know what you guys think of this look. This is the final look. So let me know what you guys think of this look down below in the comments. I know I haven't posted a video so long, but I want to know your thoughts on the R.E.M Beauty, or I keep calling it R.E.M Beauty, but I think it's R.E.M. R.E.M. Ugh. Okay, so I don't know what you guys think of the products. Let me know in the comments below. Like I said, when I saw it, I was like, you know. But now it's like, I really like the way it looks. The packaging is kind of like tiny, where you can kind of put it in your bag if you're trying to travel, which is really, really nice. I like that. So this is actually like if you're trying to go to, like, you know, Mexico, I don't know, anywhere in the world or something, and you want to travel and you want to take a palette. Like, I feel like this is like the perfect palette. It's such an easy palette to use as well. So, and the formula is actually nice. I wish the shimmers were a little bit more pigmented. They're not like, oh my god, they're not good enough, but I wish it had a little bit more pizzazz. But I think they do have liquid eyeshadows, but I really wish this was more like bam, you know. But yeah, I'm like really, really intrigued with this palette. It was nice. The eyeliner, I wish the tip was a little bit longer, just a tad bit longer, so it can give me like that nice flexible, more of a feel instead of me just focusing on the tip. I like it to be a little bit longer, like the House Labs. The House Labs one's a really good example of how the longer it is, like the more room you have to work with the product. And then I also love the liquid lipstick. It was really, really nice. Liquid lipstick. The lipstick, it was actually really comfortable, and this color is such a fall color. I am living. It is nice. I don't know what I'm saying. So yeah, let me know what you guys think. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will for sure try to do more videos. I'm so sorry, you guys. Maybe you guys don't care. I don't know. I'm just sitting here thinking people care, but maybe you guys don't even care. Maybe you guys don't even care. Thank you guys so much for watching, and make sure you guys are following me on my Instagram, TikTok, Twitter, and I think that's it. All right, see you guys next time. Bye.